So over here, you can see that I have a simple collection of clips right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to actually go ahead and write a narration script for it. So you can go ahead and write it in a separate document, but in Google Vids, you actually have a space where you can actually go ahead and add in your scripts as well. So to do that, over here on the right hand side, you can see script is an option. So you can see the 3 scenes right here, just like this. And then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and add in your script as you want. Let's say, for example, over here, you can see that I have this right here. So this is, let's say, for example, eat healthy and eat well. Let's say, for example, right here, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, in scene 1, I want this particular script. So now I can go to scene 2 right here, and it simply goes ahead and then shows this out. So let's say, for example, eat foods those are let's say, for example, which are delicious and healthy. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this. You can go ahead and add in more scripts as you want as well. And then apart from that, you can see that this is what you have. Choose from variety of options every day. Let's say, for example, right here, I'm just going to say choose variety of options every day, and you can correct it out as well. So now you can see that depending on the scene right here, you got different scripts right here that you can go ahead and navigate around as needed, just like this right here. And that is how you can simply go ahead and then write out scripts using the script panel right here in Google Vids to keep track of the scripts that you have as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.